In today's video, I'll teach you how to log in Instagram Lite app. So first of all, launch open Instagram Lite application. You can see over here Instagram Lite application has been opened. You'll be able to see all the accounts that you previously logged in. So you can simply tap on the login option right next to that account and you'll be able to log in. If you do not see your account over here, tap on this option switch accounts that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you'll be able to log in to your account. What you have to do is provide your mobile number, username or email and enter your password. So tap on the field of enter your mobile number, user or email. Now enter your detail over here. Here I'm just going to enter my email address. Likewise, tap on the field of password and enter your password over here. If you have forgotten your password, you can tap on the option forget password and you'll be able to recover it. Otherwise, enter your password. Now after you enter the password, tap on the login option that you can see on the screen. Now wait for a while. Now you can see over here you'll easily be logged in to your account. So that is how you log in Instagram Lite app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.